At nakita ko nga sa inyong Facebook account na January 21, we wish to inform our clients and the public that the application and processing of occupational working permits in the municipality of Malay have been transferred to the Business Permit and Licensing Office, BPLO, in accordance with the DILG ARTA Joint Memorandum Circular Number 2021-01, dated November 1921, and Memorandum Order, and etc. Okay, so January 21.
Yes, tama po kayo, Sir Nicky.
At ito ay patuloy na inyong information dissemination na mapasa TV, sa radio, at sa mga SOCMED ninyo, at umabot sa punto na itong public advisory ninyo ngayong September. So, ang September ay implementation.
Yes, tama po kayo, Sir Nicky.
Okay. So, sa ilang may na-intercept din akong balita na may mga nahuli na ang inyong opisina.
Actually, nagsabay kasi, Sir Nicky, yung implementation ng Executive Order 31 ni Mayor Promi. Yung ano yan, yung lahat ng illegal activity